Saturday! So, tagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakakagawa ng swatch video. And since nanalo ako sa giveaway last December, I think, igagawan ko ng swatch video yung napanalunan kong giveaway. I won Leila Pokorny's giveaway.
Max and More? Yes, yung Max and More. Walang iba kundi si Your MajesTYN.
And if you want to check her channel out, I will put her link in the description box below. So without further ado, mag-start na tayo ng swatch and let's do this! So this is what we're going to swatch today, the Max and More makeup. It has 1 mirror, 3 brushes, 24 eyeshadows, 1 mascara, 2 foundations, 2 blushes, 2 eyeliner, 2 lipsticks, and 2 nail polishes. So, binabasa ko lang kung ano yung nasa likod. So, yung labas niya, makeup, and then you'll see here what you can see inside. And buksan na natin siya. Thank you again, Miss Leila Pokorny, for doing that giveaway. And I'm so happy. I'm still so happy na ako yan ng grand prize. So, buksan na natin siya. Wow! Ito yung laman ng Max and More makeup. Here you can see the eyeshadow palettes, the foundations, the brushes and eyeliners are here. 2 lipsticks, 2 nail polishes, and 2 blushes. And then we're going to do a swatch. Oh, ito nga pala yung mirror. So you can see the camera right here. So we're going to do the swatches of the eyeshadows. And tada! Ang ganda, diba? Okay, so let's start the swatches na. I'm gonna be using their free brush as well. So this is the darkest shade. Then this is the next one. So I'm just gonna continue swatching this para mas mabilis nyo siyang makita. And then I'm gonna tell you the review later. Yung ibang colors niya hindi masyadong visible compared dun sa iba. Hindi sila ganun ka-pigmented. Na-try ko pang doblehin para lang maging kasing kulay niya yung iba. This one is one of my favorite. Itong medyo bronze na medyo gold. Ang ganda talaga niya. Actually guys, nagamit ko na siya before nung prom season. Yung mga iba kong minikapan. Nox, makeup artist. Yung iba kong minikapan, ito yung ginamit ko. Ang hirap palang mag-swatch, no? Kapag ang dami. Ayan sila. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya, mas klaro. In fairness, yung ibang shades niya is pwedeng pang-highlight sa ano. Try ko nga. Ay, pak! Ginawa ko ng highlighter sa mukha yung iba niyang shades. So, ito na yung full swatches niya. Aray? Aray? Ang gulo ko. So, itong side na to muna, yung ni-swatch, yung swindle. Itong side na to muna, yung ni-swatch ko dito sa kamay kong to. And, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ibang view kasi ang hirap maggaganyan, diba? Parang contortionist dito. So, ibang view naman.
So, ito na yung matino kong swatch, I think. So, I started from the darkest to the lightest. Yung iba, medyo ang hirap talagang i-apply kasi hindi sila ganun ka-pigmented. Lalo na yung lightest shade. Para na siyang highlighter. Pero, most of the time, yung mga dark shades naman is okay. Lalo na yung bronzy color. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ito, yan nasa gitna. Then, yung iba, pwede ng highlighter sa face.
So, tapos ko nang i-swatch yung other side. Na-swatch ko na rin tong side na to. And ito na nga yung pinalabasan niya. So, ipapakita ko ulit yung isa pang view para mas makita nyo kaysa yung pag-ganto-ganto ko sa harap nyo, diba? So, ayan.
Then, ito naman kabila, medyo dark shades yung nandito sa kabilang side ng palette. Mayroong blue, green, silvery, and then black and grayish palettes here. Okay siya kung mahilig ka sa mga dark shade palettes. Ito yung ginamit ko doon sa isang nagpa-makeup sa akin. Ang gown niya is blue. So, perfect na perfect to sa mga color blue yung suot for prom and events, something like that. So, okay talaga siya.
So, ayun na nga guys, yung swatch nitong Max and More makeup again. Thank you, Miss Leila Pokorny, for doing the giveaway. And salamat kasi ako yung napili mong manalo. And so, ayun na nga yung swatches nitong Max and More. And yun na din yung review. So, kasi nagsabi na rin ako nung honest review ko about this Max and More. And if you want me to do more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well because I upload videos every single week. And I will see you again next week. Bye!